We're huge supporters of the RAP program. We feel getting the buy-in from students early on in their education is great. We benefit, by actually, having them help and learn our processes throughout their education. And, they get a little bit of flexibility in their schooling, and, they get to work hands-on, get good experience, and, it's just a different path to get to the same end. So Averi showed great initiative. She walked in one day and wanted to do this program with us, and as I mentioned before, having the ability of her or other students to have the hands-on experience is very advantageous. I mean, she's very driven, and it's been a great success, and she's also been able to continue her education on with the Lethbridge Polytech, and get her business admin diploma. So I think it's been fantastic for her, and great for us. Yeah, I mean, it's very advantageous for us to get people to buy in. I mean, we want to create work for students, for everybody. So it helps local businesses create jobs. I think the Southern Alberta area is a fantastic place to work. There's lots of different opportunities for students, whether it's welding, plumbing, or whatever, and if we can give them that platform to try and proceed. I mean, yeah, we just feel the investment into the youth is very important. I think there's that gap in skilled workers, where we're having trouble finding skilled workers. So we've chosen to make the investment into youth, and the partnership with the local schools, whether it's high school or Lethbridge Polytechnic, create something where we can both benefit. The other benefit to DMT with this program is we've had numerous employees come through the RAP program. We've had plumbers, welders some have been with us for over 10 years, so they've done their high school education through us. They've got their full apprenticeship. Now they're journeymen and foremen leading crews and, building projects in Southern Alberta.
So when I was in high school, I was 16, I decided I wanted to try a trade, and I kind of just picked welding, and I walked in the door at DMT and handed them my resume, got an interview, and got a job, and I've been working here ever since. Definitely joining the trades at 16, it pushed me out of my comfort zone for sure, and it forced me to try new things and to be a little bit uncomfortable, and it really taught me a lot. It taught me all sorts of things, and I think it set me up for success in post-secondary, where it's also a little uncomfortable at times. Working at DMT has taught me many life skills. I've learned how to work with people. I've learned how to be independent on my own. I've learned to do hands-on work. I've learned all sorts of social skills. And I think that anybody who's willing to put in the effort and the work and show up will succeed in the trades. Well, so for my future goals, I am currently also in business operations at the college, and I'm hoping to come back and get into the office here at DMT and learn some of the business of, the trades business.